Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Prius Prime. The Toyota Prius Prime offers you all the efficiencies that you've come to expect from an electric hybrid vehicle. A comfortable ride, solid handling, and a plethora of technology features are all items you'll experience when you get behind the wheel of the Prius Prime. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.